Finding the right baby gear can be overwhelming, but comfort and convenience matter most. Today we'll explore the best foldable high chair, designed to save space, ensure safety, and make mealtime easier for parents and little ones. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Graco Foldable High Chair. The Graco Foldable High Chair is a great choice for parents looking for convenience, durability, and a space-saving design. One of the standout features of this chair is its fast folding mechanism, which can be done with just one hand and takes only a second. This makes it extremely practical for busy parents who often juggle multiple tasks while managing mealtime. The ultra-slim fold ensures that the chair can fit into compact spaces, making it ideal for small apartments, kitchens, or dining areas with limited room. Another thoughtful feature is its self-standing fold, allowing parents to simply fold up and store it without needing extra support. In terms of cleanliness, Graco has made things simple with a wipeable seat pad that ensures easy cleanups after meals, snacks, or spills, which are inevitable with babies and toddlers. Parents will also appreciate the large storage basket located underneath the chair, which is perfect for keeping baby essentials like bibs, wipes, or small toys close at hand during mealtime. Overall, the Graco Foldable High Chair balances practicality with comfort and functionality. It's lightweight, easy to fold, and simple to clean, while still maintaining a sturdy and secure design. For families who want a reliable high chair that won't take up too much space and can be quickly folded away when not in use, this model is an excellent investment. Number 2. Dream on Me Foldable High Chair. The Dream on Me Foldable High Chair is a versatile and practical seating solution designed to grow with your child. This chair features a clever convertible design, functioning as a high chair and later as a booster seat when your child is ready for the transition. The 2-in-1 functionality ensures extended usability, giving parents great value for money. Safety is a top priority with this model, as it comes with a 5-point harness system that securely holds a child in place during meals. Parents will also love the comfort factor, thanks to the removable infant seat pad that provides extra cushioning and support for little ones. For added convenience, the chair offers 3 recline positions, making it suitable for infants and toddlers at different stages. Whether your baby wants to sit upright for feeding or recline slightly to rest, this high chair easily adapts. Another impressive feature is the detachable extra tray, which is dishwasher safe, ensuring hassle-free cleanup. This design is especially handy for families that value hygiene and efficiency during busy mealtimes. The portability of the Dream on Me high chair is also worth noting, as its foldable design makes it easy to move, store, or travel with. It combines durability with lightweight construction, ensuring that parents can use it both at home and on the go. In conclusion, the Dream on Me Foldable High Chair offers a blend of safety, comfort, and versatility. Number 3. Graco 6-in-1 Foldable High Chair. The Graco 6-in-1 Foldable High Chair stands out as a highly versatile option, offering 6 different growing stages to accommodate a child from infancy to their big kid years. This convertible design means that it starts as a traditional infant high chair, then transitions into a toddler booster, and eventually can be used as a step stool for older kids. Parents who want a long-term solution will find this chair especially appealing. One of the best features is its practical height adjustment, with 4 available positions that ensure the perfect fit for any dining table. Families can keep their little one engaged at mealtime without awkward mismatches in seating height. Adding to the convenience, the chair boasts a compact, self-standing fold, which makes storage simple even in smaller homes. In terms of cleaning, Graco has designed the seat with wipe-clean materials, and the one-hand removable tray comes with a dishwasher-safe insert, making it easy to maintain hygiene. The aesthetic appeal is also worth mentioning, as the wood grain finish gives the chair a modern and home-friendly look. Another thoughtful feature is its expandability. The toddler booster and kids step stool can actually be used together, which is especially handy for families with multiple children of different ages. This adds extra value by eliminating the need to purchase multiple seating products. Altogether, the Graco 6-in-1 Foldable High Chair is a smart investment for families seeking a high chair that adapts and grows with their child. Number 4. Chicco Foldable High Chair. The Chicco Foldable High Chair is designed with flexibility and long-term use in mind, making it one of the most practical models available. This 4-in-1 multi-use chair functions as a high chair, a low feeding chair, a toddler chair, and even a youth stool, supporting children up to 60 pounds. Parents will love the adaptability, as it eliminates the need to buy additional seating products as the child grows. One of the highlights of this chair is its lightweight and compact design. It's easy to move around the kitchen or dining room, and when folded, it takes up minimal space. The tray can also be stored compactly with the chair, adding to its space-saving appeal. Cleaning is another area where Chicco excels. The sleek one-piece seat and BPA-free removable tray are designed for quick wipe-downs, while the materials ensure safety for little ones. The chair also includes removable leg extensions, which allow parents to adjust it into a low feeding chair, toddler chair, or even a stool, depending on the child's stage. This adaptability makes it ideal for families who want one chair that can serve multiple purposes. The extended use capacity is a major advantage, as the sturdy build ensures durability over time. Parents can rely on it for years, from their baby's first meals to later stages when they need a strong stool. In summary, the Chicco foldable high chair blends versatility, safety, and easy maintenance into one thoughtfully designed product. Number 5. PRIMO Foldable High Chair. The PRIMO foldable high chair brings together practicality, portability, and modern design, making it a strong option for families who want a reliable seating solution for their little ones. Unlike some bulkier models, the PRIMO chair is compact, lightweight, and designed for easy folding, which makes it an excellent choice for apartments, travel, or homes where storage space is limited. The slim fold allows it to stand on its own when not in use, saving both floor space and effort for parents. Comfort and safety have also been carefully considered in this design. The chair features a secure harness system to keep babies safe during feeding times, while the padded seat ensures comfort even during longer mealtime sessions. Cleanup is simple thanks to the removable and wipeable seat cover, as well as a detachable tray that can be easily washed after meals. Parents will appreciate how the PRIMO combines style with function, featuring a sleek look that blends well into modern home decor. It's not just practical, but also aesthetically pleasing. Another key advantage is its lightweight build, which makes it highly portable and easy to carry around the house or pack in the car for family trips. The PRIMO foldable high chair is sturdy enough to support daily use while still maintaining its ease of handling. Overall, this chair is an ideal solution for parents who need a safe, convenient, and stylish high chair that won't take up much space. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.